Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. I would like to say thank you for coming to my presentation. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Sylvia Rizky Milatina. Okay, in this presentation, we will discuss about what is coronavirus. Our discussion start from what is coronavirus, how can someone get infected from coronavirus, and how to protect from coronavirus, what is the variant of coronavirus, and what is the effect of coronavirus. If later in the discussion there is something you want to ask, there will be a question and answer session after my presentation. Okay, our discussion start from what is coronavirus. At the end of 2019, the world was shocked by the emergency of a new virus in Wuhan, China, called coronavirus. Coronavirus is a variant that attacks the respiratory system. Coronavirus is a new type of SARS-CoV-2, which is transmission from humans. In many cases, disease virus causes mild infection like flu, headache, high fever, and sore throat. And in severe infection, the patient will have pneumonia until death. This virus spreads very fast and almost all countries are affected it and in just a few months. This has made several countries impose lockdowns to prevent the transmission of this virus. Next, how can someone get infected? The virus is transmitted through direct contact with symptom droplets from an infected person, like throat and sneezing and touching surfaces that are contaminated with the virus. The virus can survive for several hours on surface, but a simple disinfectant can kill it. And what are the characteristics of people infected with corona? First, fever with a temperature of more than 37 Celsius, out of breath, dry cough, and loss of smell and taste. And how to protect from coronavirus? Corona can be prevented complying with wash your hands with soap and water or with hand sanitizer. Cover your mouth and nose when choosing or sneezing with the inside or your elbow or tissue. Then throw the tissue away immediately. Avoid contact with anyone showing symptoms like fever or flu if you has a fever, shock or difficulty breathing. Seek medical attention immediately. And what is the variant of coronavirus? Corona has four variants. First, Alpha. The Alpha variant has a variant code B117 where the first case was found in the United Kingdom in September 2020. The transmission rate of this Alpha variant is 43090% more easily transmitted than the previous original coronavirus. Next, Delta. The Delta variant has variant code B16172, with the first case being found in India in October 2020. The transmission rate of Delta variant is now it is 30 until 100% more contagious than the Alpha variant, and the severity of infection has an increased risk of hospitalization almost double than of the Alpha variant. And the next Gamma. The Gamma variant has a variant code P1 with the first case being found in Brazil in November 2020. The severity of infection of this variant is now to tend to be resistant to COVID-19 treatment. And the new variant is Omicron. The new variant Omicron has the code B11529, where the first cases were found in South Africa in November 2021. And the next, what is the effect of corona? The coronavirus has made the whole world impose a lockdown, which has effect in sector economy, education, and social. In the economy sector, all economic activities stopped, so that many people lost their jobs and there was an economic crisis. In the education sector, offline learning activities are closed and replaced with online learning. In the social sector, people are prohibited from leaving the house and doing activities. So that's all I wanted to say about coronavirus. In conclusion, coronavirus is very dangerous for us. So stay healthy and so take care of yourself. Okay, next is a question and answer session. If you want to ask, can directly raise your hand. If there's no more question, I'd like to end my talk here. Thank you so much for coming and listening to my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.